I never thought I would see the day when this hair color was trending again. It honestly reminds me of the beginning of my career when I was like 17 years ago, and everyone seemed to be dyeing their hair plum, mahogany, blackcurrant, raspberry, all those violety red tones, and they've come back. I was saying throughout all of last year when everyone was obsessed with copper hair that the natural progression of the interest in copper is to move up into that red and red violet family, and we are here. With Dua Lipa leading the way, of course, this Oxblood Red trend has got all that brown inkiness that we love in that really vivid red. Now, this is not a naturally occurring shade, so people ask, is it going to suit me? Yes, we can consider your eye color and skin tone, but with non-naturally occurring shades, what's more important is your fashion choices, your makeup, and the personality and attitude that you carry yourself with. That's how you know if you can suit a non-naturally occurring shade. If you have the confidence to wear it, you're going to look amazing. If you have light color eyes, blues or greens or grays, this looks so beautiful because there's something about the vibrancy of the hair that really draws the eyes to, well, your eyes.